Don't eat it.
Care if I eat this, Keith?
Yes. I don't want your boogers. It's not
eat
there
this
you go.
or make napalm out of it. I don't care.
Here you go.
You heard that.
You have a mission.
Factory sponsored napalm right here at the
Damn
hobby
straight.
shop. Ooh, that's pretty.
The little tail.
The best part is the guy came in here earlier and wanted to buy it.
That's why I put half down. I'm like, oh,
He's like that bitch.
that's right. To use and abuse.
It is gonna get used and abused.
Nah,
Confirmed. I can confirm all of that is
this is my kind of flying.
exactly how.
Are you gonna take care of it, Keith?
I take care of everything, but they get broke.
I better not see it come in here held together with double-sided sticky tape and Elmer's
Well, to
crap.
be fair,
It won't. It'll
the
be.
horizontal is held together with double-sided.
You're fucking serious.
Not even shitting you. And this thing's supposed to run 4S and go like 100 mile an hour.
Yeah, right.
Yes.
It will.
They all.
Yeah,
do.
double-sided
It just
sticky
presses
tape go.
in carefully. Just index that hole, and then we'll index the other half of this horizontal.
I don't believe that there's double-sided sticky tape.
It's got like a piece of flash in the way, and then we'll key it as best we can.
There you go.
Yeah. As I recall, the manual says, "Please tape here."
Mm.
I've
Cool
never built
sale
one of
plan.
these. I'm learning too, you guys.
We all are.
No, you're not.
And the internet will.
The internet?
No, don't do it. Anything
Okay,
like that.
fine.
Not until I'm ready.
Where the hell battery go?
Good question.
Nope, double side tape,
Yeah.
top and bottom. Nothing's changed.
These are held on with double-sided sticky tape?
Horizontal hand, sorry. The secret E-flight recipe too,
They're not special.
Bingo.
Why are they so small?
because that's all you need.
That's all you
There's
need.
not that much space. Ryan. Hold.
I was wondering why I couldn't understand the instructions. I flipped to the German section.
Fine.
It's supposed to be yelling at you.
Yeah. For a sec.
Nine.
What does this N-E-I-N mean?
E-I, what?
N-E-I-N?
Yeah.
9.
What does it mean?
No.
What does it mean? You stupid you?
The only thing in German I knew in 3 years was where's the train station and how much for the hole in the window.
Ain't no way. How much was she?
400 marks.
Jesus Christ.
That was only $100 in my day. Being 4 to 1.
Yeah, but a loaf of bread back then was like $1. I'm not wrong.
Nah. Ain't good.
So, Steve-O,
Yes, sir.
how's it going?
We're just
pretty
zooming away
good.
here.
It's pretty hefty.
Is this the first time you bought a plane brand new?
Nope.
I required this.
Couldn't
Flip
stop.
to the German section. It's not happening.
Sure enough. What does it say? It says the outermost hole. Hey, boss. Okay. That's done.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
start
that-
screaming the N-word.
No, that's not the.
Oh my god.
Walter,
What?
I need a Phillips screwdriver.
No, you don't.
Of the tiniest.
No, it's like
Huh.
the Phillips number 1, the gold one, yeah.
Yep, I'm not stupid.
I didn't say you were in this endeavor. However,
You don't get this now.
Be nice to him too.
Here you go.
Throw it at him.
damn, it's not even my box. It doesn't hurt me
He's
at
gonna
all.
take it home and burn it anyway.
No, I'm gonna make a barge out of it. Float behind my tugboat.
That's actually the whole reason why he bought this.
Yeah, for the styrofoam.
Yep. You hear that, Steve? Sure. Keep confirmed. Only for the styrofoam.
I'd go out
He
and.
paid $200
For
per
stocks.
box packing styrofoam.
All right.
Steve, that's not double-sided sticky tape. That's just tape.
Yeah, I'm single side. I use the wrong words. I'm kind of retarded, so. I
like-
have a tendency to say the wrong thing. I'm really good at that.
Some weight.
It'll be in the air for 5 minutes.
No, this is how I got my start with sail planes. And now I got a fancy one with a prop.
Mad props, yo, mad props.
I've been waiting to get this.
I like how it's a folding prop, yet it catches on everything on the cowling. Steve, you ready for that lawsuit?
No.
Steve, you're being sued for $500,000.
That's cool. Good luck collecting.
Yeah, really.
We're gonna sue the shit out of you. Cool.
I got a judgment. Yeah, okay.
You're like, I've got no money.
All right.
Did you see the video of there's a vegan activist
Oh,
that
geez.
got sued for breaking into a thing, and then they had to file for bankruptcy.
Outstanding.
And they made videos on it. They're like, we have to go bankrupt because the big meat industry sued us for breaking into their meat processing plant, stealing all their cows.
Yeah.
Fuck around and find out.
Exactly.
Stupid assholes. You wanna know what veganism has ever done for anybody?
Nothing.
Nothing. It
Kill
makes
'em.
you
Kill
weak.
them. Yeah, I killed people.
It makes
Yeah.
you weak, frail, non-masculine.
No testosterone.
Somebody hold that,
Deadass.
please. Thank you.
It's not very heavy.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, dude, this thing's nose heavy. You sure this thing's gonna glide?
Yes,
What he said.
that's cool.
This is actually. Yeah, it does.
Horizontal highway product. I give it 3 flights.
Nah, this thing, I'll rock this one. Don't have landing gears, don't have floats.
Steve, he's gonna fly this thing. It's gonna hit 100. And he's just gonna be like, oh.
He doesn't have a force cell that fits. He can't even fly at 100.
Oh. Sorry.
It's a,
I planned ahead.
yeah,
You did.
Yep.
no 4S batteries.
When he's ready, he can come and buy one.
Right.
You gonna put 4S in?
I'll put 6S in there if I can cram it in there.
That's a little too much. I don't even think it would take it.
I don't even know where the battery goes at this point, so.
In the front, under
It's
this,
under
under,
the-
this black hood.
Okay.
It needs it. You'd be surprised.
I brought a 2200.
Perfect.
Okay. And a dusty, musty radio.
Why'd you let it get that way?
It was just sitting in its bag, but I was going in and out of the bag and it got left open, and that's just the frickin' dust from
Oh
probably
yeah, it's yellow.
a week
It's the Dune dust.
in the hangar.
Still haven't watched those movies. and I
Neither
should.
have I.
I
Well,
hear
the
they're-
new one.
I hear they're really good.
The new one sucks because.
No, I've heard they're both really, really good.
Yeah, the new one's good. It just ends on a cliffhanger because it's a part 1, part 2 sad movie. It's one of those stupid things.
Wouldn't it be a dune hangar?
No.
Ooh, he's right. On the
Come
edge
on!
Of the edge of the dunes.
The
I got
dune
You're
hangar.
so funny. I'm quitting my job.
it. Wow.